Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to download Google Classroom application for your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming update from us. To download Google Classroom app on your iPhone, first, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are open your App Store. Now in the App Store, go to the search box at the top, type in Google Classroom and tap the search button at the lower right-hand corner. You'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top in the search result. Google Classroom app is a free service for schools, nonprofits, and anyone have a personal Google account. Google Classroom makes it easy for learners and instructors to connect inside and outside of schools. It saves time and paper and makes it easier to create classes, distribute assignments, communicate, and stay organized. Simply tap on the Get button right beneath the app to begin the downloading process. Now wait until the app gets downloaded for your iPhone. It might only take a while depending upon your internet speed. Soon after the application gets downloaded and is ready for use, you should see an Open button popping up. If you give it a tap, you'll be able to launch the app open on an iPhone. That is how you can easily download Google Classroom app on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.